Everyone, did you know that long-term chronic procrastination and self-sabotage is a trauma response? If you're one of those people that you've tried all these programs and these things to try to motivate you, you've read the self-help books, you've tried some of the things, and they can't motivate you when they seem to motivate other people, or your motivation only comes in small spurts, and then you self-sabotage and you procrastinate, and you end up blowing up whatever it is that you're working. Well, if that happens to you, like it's happened to me and hundreds and thousands of other people, what it is procrastination is the ultimate self-sabotage that's caused by trauma. And unless you resolve that trauma at the level that you got the trauma, no motivational program will get you going. You have to really go in and look at, the things that led to the procrastination, what that trauma is. And that's what we'll be doing in the procrastination and self-sabotage relief program that we'll be doing on September 23rd, Saturday, from 12 noon to about 2:30 or 3 p.m. It's an online, so if you can't make the class, you can get the recording. And what we'll be doing is it's experiential in nature. Not only am I going to show you as a coach or a change agent how to overcome procrastination, I'm going to ask you to bring those things that you procrastinate about. And you know what's interesting, and this is not well known, some of the people that seem very motivated, they're in great physical shape, or their business is booming, whatever it happens to be. But other aspects of their life, they can't get motivated, right? They can build their business, but they gain 100 pounds and they can't lose the weight. They blow up their relationships. Whatever it happens to be, you can be successful in some areas and motivated and not in others. That's also a marker that you might have a trauma response going on. And so that's what we want to work on. So I say bring things that you're procrastinating about, and then we can help you, and then you can help your clients in a much deeper, faster way. So click on the link, join us on the NLP-based program on overcoming procrastination, because procrastination is a trauma response if it's chronic. And that's what we'll be doing. It's going to be a lot of fun, experiential, again, recorded so you to review it, and we'll have a lot of fun. And I hope to see you as we get going. Have a great day.